See, it is we who can give purpose to it. Nature will not give. A river will not reach you in your home because you are thirsty. You have to go to river and bring the water there. See. So to give a purpose direction to life is our main function. First function to give direction. It means we cannot be a vagabond. That sometimes we are here, sometimes we are there, sometimes we believe like this, sometimes we believe like that. I mean, that is to be in constant search without having a direction. When you are in search, you have no direction. It is when you take a direction that your search focus. Basically, the purpose starts when we are interested in our life. People have no interest in their life. They have interest in their survival, not in their life. Yes. We have interest in our life. We want to see what all a life can do. Like, for example, when you have interest in your computer, you would like to know what are the software, what are the possibilities, what all I can create out of it. In the same way, our life, our body is a computer in which we must see our mind is a software, and we should see what all are the possibilities, what all are the good things that we can do by shaping our life. When we begin to shape our life, to give a direction, that sets a tone for purpose. Then only question that arises is that whether the direction that you are setting is for good of all human beings or only good for yourself. If it is good for yourself, you are a consumer.
Right.
You see. If it is good for the world, for others, then we expand our influence. You see, we become a different kind of entity. Our existence expands, our influence expands. You see, and we become a different kind of human being who makes a difference when he lives and after he lives, when he dies, his difference remains. You see, this is it.
Okay, so that was our video on the purpose of life, and I think Nimesh ji has also joined. Hello, Nimesh ji, welcome. And yes, so thank you everyone for joining in our meaningful discussion session. So as you could all see that Linesh Sheth was there in the video. He was discussing with Siddharth. Siddharth is one of the other founder members of Soil, where we had many meaningful discussions, just as we are having this meaningful discussion. So I think since Linesh Sheth was there in the video, maybe we could start off with him and then maybe move on to the others. I mean, led by Parimal ji. So Linesh Sheth, over to you.
માધુરી પછી આ બંધ કરી દેજે ને ન
I
ચાલતો
think simply put is the
ચાલતો
uh,
आप म्यूट पे चले गए. You'll need to unmute yourself.
I think simply put, you see, uh, we, each person has to have an employment. Otherwise, he is unemployed. You see, and there are two types of employment. I have to be employed with the world. You see, to see what I need from the world, how I can survive, how I can do some useful things. You see, And the other employment I must have is with myself. I am employed with myself, you see. For what? Just as I am employed with a job to do certain things, I have to be employed with myself to do certain things, to achieve certain things, to order myself, you see, to bring my life to an excellence, you see, from ordinariness to extraordinariness, from from simplicity to complexity of doing many things, you see, uh, to be to remain idle, to be useful to the world, you see. These are the duties of the employment with myself. So if I am not employed with myself, then I'm unemployed, I would say, or I'm doing half job with the life, and therefore this whole idea is to reduce simplicity to simplicity is that to employ uh, uh, myself for excellence, you see, to be useful to the world, to be a different kind of species, you see, gives purpose to my life, simply put.
Okay. Thank you very much for a very explicit explanation. I think we will. So, what we do generally in the session is once we meet and everyone is clear with the topic, we also discuss examples related to our personal life or lives of others whom we know very closely. And we have Parimal ji, who is generally, I would say, the moderator, the neutral person here, who also does the flow of things. So I just like to move on to him, Parimal ji. I think you're on mute.
When this whole topic about life, when I first encountered this topic, it sounded to me very, very philosophical and very heavy. I always thought that all this thing is something like philosophy and is the area of philosophers or spiritual gurus or maybe religion or simply elderly people. When people retire and then they say that now we want to talk about what is the meaning life and all these things. But when we started thinking on this, then all the different kind of issues kept coming to it. One friend told me that life is like an ice cream, enjoy before it melts. We should enjoy. But then I thought that is it that we are born only just to enjoy, to eat, drink, dance, and something like this? In life, there are so many challenges, tensions, frustrations that I actually rarely enjoy. If life is there only for enjoying, then rarely I'm enjoying. Then came to me another question: am I living life in a wrong way? It's supposed to be enjoyment only, and I'm talking about many, many challenges. And one challenge is over, I voluntarily take up another challenge. So life is there only for enjoying. It does not appear to me a real answer. It sounds to be too trivial. There must be something more. So as I explored further, I could see life all around. Children being born, growing up, school, college, job, business, marriage, having children, growing them up, aging, and death. So this seems to be a cycle all along. And in this cycle, from birth to death, there seems to be a race to become a bigger and better in all streams. Nothing wrong, but with a tone of tension all throughout life. It seems that I chase things, and when I reach there, sometimes I could reach, sometimes I could not reach. But along with that, all the journey was about tension about reaching there. And when I reached there, I really didn't find that what I thought will be the ultimate, but I thought of another thing. So this whole thing, when we talk about life purpose, is a very, very dynamic topic. There are no straight away easy answer. One can very easily say day-to-day life, enjoying life, all that is fine, but doesn't seem to be very convincing. Chasing from one goal to another is also part of life, but then that also does not seem to be very convincing. So there has to be something bigger, something beyond just existence. And this is some point that worth reflection, worth thinking through. And when we think about our life, maybe we get answer or maybe we do not get answer, but at least is a new area of exploration. As Linesh Bhai said in his introductory video, that most of the time we don't even explore. So exploring the purpose of our life could be a good reflection. It could make us a good understanding of our own self. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much, Parimalji, for that perspective. And so I agree with you. Like there is, for example, a very immediate or a shallowness where we say that just enjoy life, jo hoga dekha jayega, and things like that. But if you actually go deeper into it, and like you said, if there is further exploration that is happening, then you know that there is something bigger that is beyond you. And as you very correctly said, that one thing that we all can do is think about it or have such thoughts where we could reflect, and that reflection could lead to that greater exploration and the life purpose that we are talking about versus the self purpose. So thank you very much for sharing that. I also, when I after choosing this topic, I also did a little bit of a reflection, and in order to go from a shallowness to a deepness, I think there are certain things which we can do. Like when we were there in the last meeting, I think it was who was there? I think it was Vishakha who said about observation. So I think observation, not just sticking to what we do on a normal basis, but observation on things that are around us, as you said, the life that is growing around us or happening around us, and then reflecting about that is one thing. Second thing, I think, is openness. Like I can see in this meeting, there are people from different walks of life. So there are teachers, there are businessmen, entrepreneurs, there are homemakers, there are students. Everyone is there. So I think an openness to interact freely, just for a broad-minded exchange of views. That is one more thing. I think one more thing is a lot of pause is required at different stages of life. Like to give you probably my example, when I started driving, I used to get very irritated on the signals which were there. Why is the signal coming every time I have to reach a certain destination? But now I know that that signal, whether it's 30 seconds, 60 or 90 seconds, that gives me time to reflect and pause on the people around me, their importance in my life, the destination where I'm going, and things like that. And that leads to a lot of consciousness. So I would just like to share an example or a story. We are into the business of translation. So, sorry, Parimalji, are you trying to say something?
No, no, no.
Okay,
Carry
sorry.
on.
I thought you were trying to say something. So we are in the business of translation, and once we got a request from this association of doctors, and they said we have a speaker who's coming on the stage, and he only knows Hindi, but you need to translate and do it in English. So none of my translators were free, so I had to go on my own. So when I went there, I came across this very, I would say, noble person, and his name is actually, if you go online or on YouTube, and if you put his name, they call him Ambulance Dada. So I don't know if you heard about him, but I'll just brief you about him. So he is stays in a very remote location in Calcutta. So where he was staying over there, he didn't have money to meet his own needs and take care of his family. So one day his mother, she fell very ill, and he didn't have there was a hospital which was very far away, but he didn't have money, funds, nor a vehicle. So he literally carried her on his back, and obviously by the time he reached the hospital, she was no more. So he had a lot of pain in life. For 2 to 3 months he did not speak to anyone. He closed himself in his room because he had certain dreams, he had a certain purpose in life, that I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll have my own factory and things like that. But that did not work out. Then he tried to ask himself the question that this is what I want from life, but what about what life wants from me? And I think, as Parimal ji said earlier, that life is always happening around us. He looked around at other people, and he said that what has happened with me could also happen with the other people who are around me. So he thought that I will first buy a bike so that I can, at least transport one person. So he bought a bike. He converted his bike into a place, like a cabinet or something where 2 to 3 people could fix. He got funds, and then he actually got an ambulance. Once he got an ambulance, now he is getting funding from everywhere, where he actually has a hospital. So like, he suffered and his mother died, so the people who were near and dear to him, they don't have to suffer. So that is one example which I would like to share about self purpose versus life purpose. I know there are many people here in this group who have also done many other things like that, or even if not, they've not done, they've witnessed such things. So I'd just like to open up the forum to anyone who would like to speak, start, or share. But before that, I can also see that today we have Shivlila ji, who is also there. She is there a lot of times, but she doesn't speak. So I would request her to speak on, what are her views about this topic, and maybe share examples, experiences, and things like that. शिवलीला जी, आप इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में, जो जिसमें भी कंफर्टेबल है बोल सकते हैं.
ओके, मैं अभी आज जूम जूम मीटिंग फर्स्ट टाइम अटेंड कर रही हूँ. इससे पहले मैं मेरे बेटी प्राजक्ता के साथ और प्रतीक के साथ ज्वाइन किया था, और लिनेश काका के साथ भी बात हो गई थी. मीनिंगफुल मीटिंग है ऐसा. तो मुझे, जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम मेडिटेशन में आ गई लिनेश काका के साथ, और जो भी मुझे मेडिटेशन से जो लगाव हो गया, तो एक सोच मेरे मन में आ गया कि मैं एक हाउसवाइफ थी, उससे आगे चलकर कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा मुझे. और दूसरी बात है कि जब मैं मेडिटेशन करने लगी तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगने लगा. और जो भी अपने जीवन में नया नया विचार आते हैं, तो पहले मेडिटेशन के पहले ऐसा लगता था कि हम विचार करके कुछ नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन जब मैंने सब कुछ ब्रेन मार्चिंग और मेडिटेशन करने लगी, तो मुझे बहुत सारा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, और एक छोटा सा एक विचार आ गया मेरे मन में कि एक 10-15 बच्चों के साथ मैं स्कूल चला सकती हूँ. तो ये विचार मैं लिनेश काका के साथ शेयर किया एक दिन. तो काका ने बोले ठीक है, आप कर सकते हैं. तो तभी से एक छोटा सा विचार आज 300 बच्चों के लिए, मैं आज बच्चों के लिए स्कूल चलाती हूँ. तो इतना बड़ा विचार हो गया मेरा, और इतना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया मेरा.
वाह, वेरी नाइस. बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के शिवलीला जी. हम लोगों ने आपका, आई थिंक, सॉइल मीटिंग में आपका वीडियो भी देखा है, जिसमें आपने बताया है कि, तो एक सिर्फ ये बताएंगे कि आपका मतलब स्कूल शुरू करने के बाद, या जैसे आपने बोला अभी 300 बच्चे हैं, तो आई एम श्योर आप जो ब्रेन वॉचिंग करते हैं या मेडिटेशन करते हैं, वो आप उनसे भी शेयर करते हैं या उनको भी सिखाते हैं. तो ये करने के बाद उनके मतलब जीवन में या जीवन शैली में क्या क्या परिवर्तन आए?
हाँ, हाँ, बच्चे जब पहले फर्स्ट टाइम स्कूल में आते थे तब मैं ब्रेन मार्चिंग नहीं लेती थी, लेकिन मेरा एक्सपीरियंस देख के मैं ऐसे ही एक बार सोच लिया कि चलो बच्चों के साथ और मेरे स्टाफ के साथ हम करवाते हैं। तो फर्स्ट टाइम उनको मीनिंग कुछ बताया नहीं, जस्ट एक एक्सरसाइज करेंगे रोज का एक करके मैंने स्टार्ट किया। जब स्लो 25 25 25 मिडल, राइट और लेफ्ट ऐसे काउंटिंग के साथ मैंने फर्स्ट 25 काउंटिंग के साथ शुरुआत की। बाद में बच्चे और स्टाफ बहुत अच्छी तरह से करने लगे और मुझे भी अच्छा लगने लगा। और बाद में मैं जब भी स्कूल मेरी स्टार्ट हो जाती है 10 बजे और उसके बाद प्रेयर होता है, तो मैंने सडनली प्रेयर होने के बाद ही मार्चिंग का काउंटिंग लेना स्टूडेंट के साथ और स्टाफ के साथ काउंटिंग लेना चालू कर दिया मैंने। तो 15 दिन में स्टूडेंट और मेरा स्टाफ 100 ऐसे 300 बार मार्चिंग करने लगे और उसके बाद 15 मिनट का ब्रेक लेते थे। तो सबको ऐसा मैं क्लास में सुलाती थी और उसके बाद 5-10 मिनट में सब बच्चे आराम से रिलैक्स होके एकदम फ्रेश होके, तो उसमें एक बदलाव मुझे अलग बदलाव दिखने लगे उसमें। बच्चों में कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ गया और जो क्लास में बहुत मस्ती करते थे बच्चे वो सब ऐसा साइलेंट हो गए और भूख अच्छी लगने लगी उनको। टिफिन हम लोग पहले उनको टिफिन खाने के लिए बहुत जबरदस्ती या एक घंटा लगता था उनको, लेकिन ब्रेन मार्चिंग के बाद उनको भूख अच्छी लगने लगी और अपने आप टिफिन सारे फिनिश होने लगे। और मेरा स्टाफ भी मेरे साथ सैटरडे मैंने उनके साथ मीटिंग लिया तो सबका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा गया। वो बोले कि हम भी घर जाके रिलैक्स हो गए और जो घर काम करके स्कूल में काम करते हैं हम लोग, जो चिड़चिड़ापन था या बच्चों के ऊपर गुस्सा करते थे हम लोग घर पे और स्कूल में, तो ये थोड़ा कम हो गया हमारा और हमारी कैपेसिटी बढ़ गई विचार करने की और काम करने की। और ऐसे बच्चों में तो बहुत सारा बदलाव आ गया। बच्चों में जो रहती है वो थोड़ी कम हो गई और बच्चों के रिजल्ट भी अच्छे आए और तबीयत अच्छी रहने लगी। और हमने 3 महीने के बच्चों का वेट किया, फर्स्ट ब्रेन के पहले वेट किया और 3 महीने के बाद वेट किया तो सबका वेट 1 kg से बढ़ गया।
Okay, thank you, Shivlila ji. So, what I learned, yeah, I'll say it in Hindi so that everyone can understand. मैंने इससे ये सीखा कि एक बार आप अपने लाइफ का पर्पस खुद डिस्कवर कर लेते हैं और एक बार आप ही इतने परफेक्ट मॉडल बन जाते हैं, तो दूसरे लोग आपसे आके मतलब पूछते हैं कि आप क्या कर रहे हो। एंड बहुत बार हम लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि हम कर रहे हैं वो ठीक है, पर दूसरों के साथ शेयर करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए। बट आई वुड से इन दिस केस, लर्निंग फ्रॉम शिवलीला जी's एग्जाम्पल, जरूर आगे जाके इनफैक्ट शेयर करना चाहिए। जिस भी फोरम में होता है उस फोरम में डिस्कस करना चाहिए, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन जो भी है, दैट डजंट मैटर। एंड आई थिंक एक बार ये करे देन एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट it's not very difficult to discover it, it's very easy। बट 2-3 चीजें चाहिए। एक तो अपने आप से you have to be true to yourself, second is constant experiment and observation, and third is an openness and always I think willingness to learn, because I think Shivlila ji also when she came in touch with Dinesh Sheth, उन्होंने काफी सारी चीजें already सीखी होंगी, राइट? बट एक आई थिंक एक इच्छा कि मैं और सीखूं वो भी बहुत जरूरी है। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच शिवलीला जी शेयर करने के लिए। बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप आए और जूम पे आपने ज्वाइन किया। प्लीज ऐसे आते रहिए और प्लीज अपने थॉट्स शेयर करते रहिए हमारे साथ। Great. We have Jevan ji, we have Nimish ji, we have a lot of other people. I think we have Shirish ji also. So whoever would like to share, please share, and the forum is open.
Praveen also is there.
Yeah, Praveen ji is also there. Praveen Doshi is also there. He's, I think, just left. I can't see him anymore. Maybe he got logged out. Yes, I think who would like to share? Jevan ji, last time you gave us very valuable inputs and you described the entire process. I think it was, you said inspiration, perspiration, and many other things. So please share. Yes.
Yes, Parimalji mentioned that we always go through a life cycle. We have some goals which are transient goals, in the sense that we pass out from college and say, I must get a job, I must get a house, I must have children, the children go for education. At certain stage of life, these transient goals are achieved. You start wondering, what is it that makes me more happy internally? Then you start looking internally, which is why I say introspection. So I said, look, I certainly want to give back now that I'm in a position where I'm self-sufficient. I have achieved my transient goals, but I was not adding any meaningful purpose to my life. So I said, I would like to do something to the community and give back something to the community. So I also mentioned that that led me to a situation, how do I do it? I cannot do it individually, because by then I was in a job where I was transferable. I was transferred to Ahmedabad, and being a Gujarati also, I didn't have a single relative or a friend in Gujarat, because I have been born and brought up in Bombay and later on in Calcutta. So I decided to join an organization called Rotary International, which are involved in service. And that is the journey that I started. And when I became a member, they were doing a lot of small projects. Then we decided that we must do a permanent project which benefits a larger community. Then we conceived an idea of, Gujarat is the one place. I thought Bengal is a place where people don't drive in a disciplined manner. But then I found that Gujaratis take the cake in violating, excuse me, Gujarat basically was, and especially Ahmedabad was a developing state where there are no traffic lights, no dividers, nothing, and people were driving at their own wheels and fences. And that was resulting in case of a lot of accidents. And where I lived, which was almost on the outskirts of the city, about 8-10 kilometers from the city, where there was no such facility or hospital available for such treatment. So we embarked on a project to set up a physiotherapy center for treatment of accident patients. Now, this was the thought process. The introspection led to a thought process. Now we had to that concept has to be converted into a reality. We didn't have any money. We had to raise money from the people. So we started a fundraising efforts, and we are able to collect funds, and we're able to even hire a place. And when we went to hire a place, we even narrated the purpose to the builder. I said, I don't have money, but I'm going to raise the money and give it back to you as and when we have the funds available to be given to you. And he kindly agreed. So that is how we started. We got a place. We even got equipments which are actually funded by a supplier. He says, look, you pay me money when you are able to do it. So this is how we started a semi-hospital with about 15 beds and instruments and electronic goods, electronic therapy instruments, which and exercise equipment which can treat patients who are injured in accidents or having rheumatism, or even for that matter, any kind of physical disability, temporary disability. So this became a reality in somewhere in 94, 95 time frame. And ever since that, for 25 years, we are running this center, and we must have treated more than 250,000 patients plus in this our effort, which is basically people from area where I live, surrounding area. Earlier, people used to travel 8-10 kilometers to the hospital. Imagine a person broken his legs or hands or physical injury, and he had to travel by car. Cars were very few, by auto rickshaw, the bumpy ride to go to hospital. So we are able to provide a facility where people could be treated. So that gives me so much of satisfaction that look, I could do something, can give back something back to the society. However, it was beyond my individual capacity, but a collective efforts and a platform that I use, which helped me to do this. And there are people who are willing to donate money. Understand, money is never a hindrance. People are there provided they have confidence that the money will be utilized for the purpose of community welfare. So this was, and like that, there are other several projects, but this is one example. I told you that we had absolutely no funds. We had zero funds to ourselves to start this project. And today we probably have a property which is about a 1 crore worth of property. And plus, we have a reserve amount of funds which we have generated, which are, again, we are using for welfare of other community, like teaching children. We have another project called Teaching Literacy. So that is where the fund is being utilized to underprivileged people to be helped in their education. So this is my own experience, that you come to a stage where it says introspection, inspiration, and perspiration. Now all this, the perspiration was that we had to put our actions together collectively, like-minded people, and be able to create what we conceived.
Okay, thank you
Sorry,
so much.
guys. I'm so sorry for being late.
Hi, Abhishek, welcome. So Jaivanji, thank you so much for sharing, and welcome Abhishek. So Abhishek, before you joined, we as usual saw the video. People shared their experiences, and Jaivanji shared, I think Shivlila ji shared, Linesh shared, also Parimal Bhai shared. We have a few new people today in the meeting. So we have Rashmi who's joined. We have Mahadevi ji. Both have been invited by Prajakta, and we also have Shivlila ji who's there, but today she is there on Zoom. So nice. So Abhishek, since you've joined, we'd like to hear from you a very interesting topic we have today, and then we could probably then move on to the others.
Right. So, today's topic is self-purpose vis-a-vis life purpose, and this is a topic for me on a personal basis, still a mystery, because all these years, the core purpose that defines my life is something I'm still in the search of. Every day there is moments, or every week or month there might be some moments in which I would feel, uh, where am I, and why am I here, and what am I doing, what do I want to do next. And more often than not, whatever situations and circumstances are prevailing in that current time frame, whether it be at work or marriage or family or health, those are the things that the immediate attention goes to. But my definition or clarity of this topic is very well entwined again because of Linesh Bhai about Nana, because very early on in his life, he had discovered what was his life's purpose. So, to be very honest, Anuj, on a personal level, is an example that I understand, but is an example I still don't see in my own life, because I have not personally implemented it or found that purpose. I'm still in search of that meaning, what my life should be about. But on a very minimalistic or a very simplistic way, I just like to think that I am here to tell stories and make people connect people and connect people across uh, all the ways of my life and just spread happiness. That's what I feel, but I know that's a very vague life purpose.
Okay, great. Thanks for sharing, Abhishek. So, I mean, we are more than halfway through our discussion. Parimal ji, you heard from a lot of us. Is there anything that you'd like to, probably add, share, comment?
I think sharing is going good. We should continue the same way.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so we also have Nimesh Pania today, Nimesh Pania ji today, and if Nimesh ji, if you would like to share, I don't think your video is on. Let me just ask you to start the video, and maybe you can start sharing.
हेलो
Yes,
हाँ
hello.
जी एक्चुअली थोड़ा आज मेरा इंस्ट्रूमेंट मुझे थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है शायद आज या जूम में जो कि शायद मेमोरी मेरी कम पड़ रही थी तो मुझे मीटिंग से थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर जाना पड़ा मेरी मेमोरी को क्लीन करना पड़ा फिर मैं ज्वाइंट हुआ हूँ तो आई थिंक आई विल कंटिन्यू हियरिंग टू यू पीपल कुछ देर के बाद मैं अपने जो सोच है उसको थोड़ा सा ऑर्गेनाइज करके फिर मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगा अभी मैं चालू गाड़ी में बैठ गया हूँ ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है
जी जी जरूर आप सेटल डाउन
मेरा लिंक टूट गया है बीच में
हाँ जी आप सेटल डाउन हो जाइए अपने फिजिकली मेंटली सेटल डाउन हो जाइए एंड देन फिर यू कैन कंटिन्यू वी हैव
और ये इतना ब्रॉडर हाँ जी इतना ब्रॉडर और डीपर टॉपिक है ना हाँ जी ये इतना ब्रॉडर और डीपर टॉपिक है मुझे लग रहा है कि शायद आज की हमारी सेशन है इस टॉपिक को हम कंटिन्यू और भी सेशन में करना चाहिए ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है ये बहुत बढ़िया टॉपिक है इसका हाँ जी
जरूर जरूर वेरी आई थिंक वेरी वैलिड सजेशन एंड जब मैं भी सोच रहा था टॉपिक के बारे में परिमल जी और मैं डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि इस बार क्या टॉपिक रखना चाहिए तो दो चीजें हम लोगों के डिस्कशन में खुल के आई एक तो ये था कि टॉपिक क्या चूज करना चाहिए एंड एज यू सेड कि इट्स अ वेरी डीप टॉपिक एंड आई थिंक वी कैन गो ऑन डिस्कसिंग एंड शेयरिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस वो सिलसिला कभी खत्म होगा नहीं और आई थिंक होना भी नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी रेलेवेंट टॉपिक हाँ तो वी विल कंटिन्यू डिस्कशन ऑन दैट फर्दर ऑल्सो आगे के मीटिंग्स में भी एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो एनकरेज लाइक परिमल जी और मैं डिस्कस कर रहे थे आई वुड ऑल्सो एनकरेज जैसे समटाइम्स परिमल जी कम्स अप विद अ टॉपिक समटाइम्स इट्स लिनेश शेठ समटाइम्स अभिषेक समटाइम्स इट्स मी अभी आई थिंक हम लोग के अराउंड 8 से 10 मीटिंग तो हो ही गए हैं इफ नॉट मोर आई वुड एनकरेज अदर्स ऑल्सो कि आप भी प्लीज कम अप विथ योर टॉपिक्स whatever topic you want to discuss okay just probably share it with us so we can share it with everyone कि इस टॉपिक पे डिस्कस करना चाहिए या उस टॉपिक पे डिस्कस करना चाहिए बिकॉज वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट एवरीवन इज प्लेइंग मल्टीपल रोल्स इन माय लाइफ इन योर लाइफ सॉरी सो फॉर एग्जांपल आप अभिषेक का एग्जांपल लीजिए या मेरा लीजिए वी आर फादर्स वी आर हस्बैंड्स वी आर बिजनेसमैन we are so many things Parimal ji does so many things Jayvan ji does so many things मतलब I can take name शिवलीला जी प्राजक्ता सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ करते ही है तो आई एम श्योर कि कुछ ना कुछ एक ऐसी चीज होगी जो सबको यू नो एक अफेक्ट करती होगी कि क्या करना चाहिए so I would encourage the others also please come up with your topics please share it with us in any way possible ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन या जो भी जस्ट एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि जैसे हमारा मीटिंग सैटरडे को अराउंड 12 या 12:15 खत्म होता है आप मंडे तक भी हम लोग के साथ अगर डिस्कस कर पाएंगे या ट्यूसडे तक भी कि ये टॉपिक है मेरे माइंड में बिकॉज हमको भी टाइम लगता है फिर यू नो एक इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो बनाने को और सबके साथ शेयर करने को जूम लिंक शेयर करने को एंड वी वांट मैक्सिमम पीपल टू ज्वाइन And one thing I'm very happy about, like for example, now because of Prajakta today, two more people have joined. I would like to hear from them also very soon. But you also please, invite, encourage more people to come, and whether they come or not, that's different. But the idea is that maximum people should benefit, and most people's life should be meaningful as a result of our discussion. So yeah, I think we can move to Prajakta then. So Prajakta, what would you like to share? How do you relate to this topic? And please go on.
My contribution isn't so much in this finding a goal and all those things, but what I feel is, if this is small step, as I agree with Abhishek that connecting people, spreading happiness, like if I'm feeling good with 1 hour discussion session over here, why shouldn't I invite my family, my friends, and have same wavelength, same thinking with my family, where I can just build a good surrounding, healthy surrounding, because वो बोलते हैं ना, घर से शुरुआत होनी चाहिए. When my mother is doing this, Pratik is there, and again Rashmi, I just, they are very close to me. और अगर ये सराउंडिंग इतना अच्छा, इतना अगर सब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे यहाँ से, so it will go all around and we'll have healthy relationship as well. So this is what I feel कि हम लोगों ने जितना spread, as you said कि if you are knowing something, you should always share it. Mummy did, and this is what I feel, this should be goal. Or then I don't know how I am helping my mother-in-law, how I am helping Rashmi to find their goals or to settle down. But yes, somewhere at the end of the day, I feel everyone should go around this topic. Everyone should know what's going around and should think this is how I contribute some of the thing to their life.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, Prajakta. What I realize is there are a lot of things, which we sometimes, I am a dad now for almost 4 years now. But I realize that there are many things which we, teach to our children, but sometimes we forget them. So like you spoke about sharing, right? So we keep on telling children that, sharing is caring is a very common phrase that I use, my sister uses, and everyone uses, right? But
Exactly.
sometimes we, discuss about everything else in the world, that this food was so nice, this movie was so nice, this
Exactly.
series on Netflix is wow, but then we don't,
We
discuss
don't
about this. So
discuss
I think,
about meaningful things and you should go, अरे इतना क्या serious लेना है, चलो ये हो जाएगा. No. but I am like, I am choosing specific person who are quite interested in these things, and just we should start somewhere. And this is how I don't have long term goal, but yeah, this is how I am starting step by step.
no, that's very right, because a long journey obviously starts with small steps. So great, thank you, Prajakta, for sharing. I think Prajakta has, sorry, Abhishek wants to say something. Sorry.
No, if anybody else wants to speak, I have a question to Parimal bhai, but like we can let people speak first, because even Rashmi unmuted her mic, so I thought maybe.
Yeah, right. So I was just going to say that Prajakta has invited Mahadevi ji and also Rashmi. So I understand this is your first meeting. You've been listening to a lot since almost the past 1 hour. But please share, how has it been for you so far on this meeting? What would you like to take away, from this, and whatever else you want to share?
Yes. Anu ji, first of all, thank you so much to Prajakta, and that she suggested me to be a part of this. Like everyone, सबके life में एक ऐसा moment आता है, like we are doing our things better, or are we doing right, or are we doing wrong? Like other people, what other people are doing. Right, we don't have enough time to come together. Okay, these people are doing in that way. Okay, if something bad happens, how they are coming back, or if some setbacks are coming in someone's life, how they are coming back. We don't hear such stories, right, in everyday life. So for me, I'm thinking this session as setbacks and comebacks. So what's the purpose of life, how they are thinking, or how we can upgrade ourselves, right, how we can take good things from others, and we can learn in our life. So everyone's life is not easy, I just want to say everyone's life is not easy. At least for me, past few years was not easy, and it was a big setback in my life. And I want to say that uh, I don't know, you are a part of this universe, and at one moment of your life you feel that no, why me, or why against the universe? So you keep ask questions to God, why this happened to me, why me, why me, or some things. This is the starting day of the session, I don't want to, but later on definitely I'll discuss. So then suddenly in your life you become so conscious, or you feel that you are connected, or some things are happening for your good only. Then you will sit silently instead of asking questions to God, why God? And then you keep silent and just be it around. Okay, this is happening for me, okay, I have to learn something. We try to go against, and you just try to find the answers. Then I understood we should not go against, or just sit back, study, slow down, take a breath deep, and then go according to the universe or what you want to do. And what is the purpose of the life, right? This is the topic of this session. And let me tell you, like I did my post graduation, and then I did before that I did my job, IT software, and then I did my post graduation, and then something happened in my life. So it was not purposeful. I had dreams, I did everything, I achieved everything on a greater level, but then it was like I was in a I always felt that I was not going in the correct direction. But few things happen in your life for the good, they will show you the correct direction. This is what I understood for the past 1 year. From the past 1 year, literally anything happens to you happens for the good. Only you need to see in that perspective that it is happening for you for the good. So okay, this is what I want to share. I hope it's okay.
Yeah, but actually, I had a discussion with Rashmi, and it was like, yeah, as Anup said, that we have discussions regarding food, movie, each and everything. So, if someone is suffering from anything, we should have such kind of discussion and just come up with the things where this kind of solutions we are looking for should be very clear and to be very frank. Rashmi, this is the platform where you can always share or where you can suggest a topic to everyone, and you can just ask questions. You can just go ahead and attend the session. And I definitely have this confidence that this is no one way is going to judge you over here, and you will definitely get next level of things to be discovered and be prepared for it.
Yeah, and I understand that. Thank you everyone for I just
Okay,
We are
yeah,
thank
actually
let
you.
life
happy to have
happen.
you. We're happy to have you on board.
Yeah, same
Yeah,
here, Rashmi. Thank you so much for attending. Thank you, Prajakta, for calling Rashmi. And just maybe a couple of things from what Rashmi said. So, Rashmi, I've heard a phrase in English which says that when you were speaking, about the last 4 5 years of your life. So, I've heard a phrase in English which says that what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So I could probably relate to what you were saying. And as Prajakta was telling you, whatever is there, I mean, even if it's a life situation which you are facing, like Prajakta, when she attended last to last time, she faced a life situation which she needed help in. And there were people from the group I know who reached out to her personally, even offline, and advised her or probably discussed with her on how to do that. So if you at any point of time need that also, please do reach out to us. We are
sure.
Yeah, we are a community which is only interested in your and your development. Okay, there is no exchange, there is no give and take, there is nothing like that. And just maybe on a humorous note, I see that Rashmi is wearing pink, and pink is the color of the heart. So I think she spoke from her heart, which is very important, where you have to need to have an internal dialogue to discuss what is your purpose versus life. So thank you so much, Rashmi, for sharing. Thank you for coming. And I don't know if Mahadevi ji is still there. Let me just see 1 second.
Is there?
ओके, महादेवी जी आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे या कुछ ऐड करना चाहेंगे प्लीज?
आपको आपको पहले अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा महादेवी जी, नीचे बटन है।
This is
नमस्कार आप सबका। अभी मेरा भी फर्स्ट टाइम है, तो अभी आज तो मैं खाली सुन लूंगी आप सबसे और अगले सैटरडे मेरा कुछ होगा तो मैं शेयर करूंगी डेफिनेटली। हेलो।
हाँ महालक्ष्मी जी, थैंक यू सो मच, सॉरी महादेवी जी, थैंक यू सो मच आने के लिए, थैंक यू सो मच अटेंड करने के लिए। और अगले सैटरडे भी
Thank
जैसे
you.
आपने बोला है शेयर करने के लिए
हाँ
पहले आइएगा, तो प्लीज
हाँ आऊंगी
आइएगा।
आऊंगी जरूर।
बहुत अच्छा लगा कि यू नो आप आए।
हाँ ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Anuj, can I ask a question?
Abhishek, you had a question, right?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Please
Can
go
I
on.
ask?
Yeah.
So I don't know if Parimal Bhai is still online because his video is off, but मुझे एक क्वेश्चन था कि एवरी डे अपने लाइफ में जो सब नॉर्मल इतनी सारी चीजें जो होती रहती है, ये सब चीज में हाउ टू डिस्कनेक्ट फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग एंड ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई योर पर्पस। मतलब ये जो आज का जो टॉपिक है, जो लाइफ पर्पस का जो डायरेक्शन और जो एक और फोकस आता है लाइफ में, I've been in the search for so long, but you know, I'm not able to identify it, and everything is only short. मतलब आज के लिए, ये महीने के लिए मेरा ये पर्पस है, ये साल के लिए मेरा ये पर्पस है, but nothing sticks permanently. तो मतलब how do you introspect and identify this? Vimal bhai, Dinesh bhai.
First of all, there is no one-line answer, and there is no one answer fitting all.
Right.
It is not so much important about the answer that you get. It is the journey of searching the answer that is what is more important. Second thing is, need not be so much concerned or compared with day-to-day life. Day-to-day life is there, we are living it. As long as we realize that that is not an end in itself, there is something beyond it to be searched, then we don't remain stuck. One, two, we do not get so much affected with plus or minus, because we know that this is after all day-to-day life. So
Right.
you are searching, and in my opinion, all of us are also searching. Is not so much as a precise answer that anyone can come out.
Got it.
Yeah.
So just knowing that there is something beyond, and even the journey of searching in itself is meaningful.
Yes, yes.
Another
And
thing, Abhishek,
yes,
Allah.
Dinesh bhai.
Is that as we discussed in the beginning, that it's interesting to see life, that I have a job with life. As I have a job with my business, but I also have a job with myself, you see, and that job requires me to improve myself, to be useful to me and to useful to others. That is very fulfilling, because you feel that you are doing something, or you are making use of the life for what it is given. You see, the big the whole thing starts with employing yourself for yourself, for
Right.
improving yourself. You have an employment, you have a duty, you have a point of view, you have a flair for it. You see, when we do this with interest, you see, as if it's it, it's an obligation to life. That life has given to me. Now I am giving something to life. And as Anuj said, you see, we ask life has given to me what life is asking for me to give. You see,
Right.
when we see, then we enliven life because we give a shape to life. And life is like a person who is asking me uh, what it expects from me. The, this brings in a great sensitivity in life. We don't live an anesthetic life. You see, we live a life of liveliness, as if it's a small sojourn, this life, you see, in which I have come with a valuable friend to live with and to work together.
Great.
Uh,
Very good perspective, Nana. About I missed that starting part about the being on a job to live. But it's very it's a good perspective.
Can I say something on this,
Yes,
Abhishek?
Jevanji,
Yeah,
You
please.
see,
Javan.
Yeah, yeah.
the focus really comes if you introspect what your aspirations are. If you go do deep diving on your aspirations, you will be able to get an axis of focus on what you wish to do, or the purpose, or the interest, the love, the passion. It comes from there. Then the second part of this comes from axis of contribution. That axis of contribution comes from your expertise and value, the basic values of life, and what your expertise, what expertise that you have within yourself. And
Right.
the third thing which comes, is to do is the axis of influence. What you can do to influence others with your passion, with your focus, with your expertise, and with your knowledge. So basically, as you said, the focus comes from your aspirations, your interest, your love, your passion, and the values.
Can you Anuj, access of inspiration, access of
Of
focus?
contribution, axis of influence. This is something which I came across a very simple concept. Three, if when these three converge, you get what you wish to do, and then you use the expertise that what you wish to do, and then if it's a community service, you try to influence set of people where you can do community welfare. So all this comes from the question that you asked was, how do I get a focus? How do I get
Yes.
the meaningful purpose?
Yes.
So that is what it comes from your deep diving into your aspirations, and that will give you an axis of focus.
Right.
It could be anything. You just write down. The exercise that somebody was, when I was talking to some group, he said you write down what you wish to do, what you love to do, what you like to do, and also the write down on another wall what you don't wish to do.
What you don't wish to do.
Yes.
Yes.
What do you hate to do?
Right.
Okay, thank you, Jaivanji, for sharing and also, clarifying on that. I guess we are towards the end of the meeting. We have, I think, Sunil Kamdar, who's joined today. We also have Pratik, and we also have Shirish Ji, who we would love to hear from. If everyone is okay to stay on for like 5 to 10 minutes more.
Always.
Okay. So,
Anybody amongst the people you mentioned, आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? सुनील भाई, शिरीष भाई.
Shirish Bhai is like an Indian version of Buddha. So he'll always come, he'll always smile, and I know that deeply he understands a lot and he's done a lot. But Shirish Bhai, we'd like to hear from you also. अगर आप कुछ share करना चाहेंगे, हम तो सब बोल रहे हैं, but आपसे भी सुनना चाहेंगे. अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा आपको.
I wish Zoom gave us an access to unmute them on our own
Yeah,
to make it easy. We can hear you.
yes. So I run a small manufacturing business of my own. And as long as the objectives of my business are limited to me, then I don't contribute anything much meaningful. As soon as I change my perspective that whatever I should do with the purpose of meeting country's requirement. I should increase my exports. I should increase the quality of my product. I should give employment to more people. This all, when it changes to a bigger purpose, then it becomes more enjoyable and it gives more to the society. That's all I want to say.
Okay, thank you. Very short.
Short but profound.
Yeah, right, right. Great. Sunil ji, we saw you switch on your video.
Video. Yes.
Please, yeah, we'd like to hear from you also. Yeah, on the bottom left, you would have unmute. You have to have an unmute button. So you need to just click on that. I also asked you to unmute yourself. So you can just accept that and then we could hear from you.
आप स्क्रीन पे क्लिक करेंगे ना सुनील भाई, तो सबसे नीचे एक ऐसा एक माइक जैसा है, माइक नीचे लेफ्ट साइड पे. हाँ, हो गया अनम्यूट. बोलिए. बोलिए सुनील भाई, अनम्यूट हो गया. You can't hear me.
Sunil, you have to unmute yourself.
He's unmuted.
Mic
Jayant
ને
bhai,
off કરવું પડશે
unmuted.
તારે. Okay.
તમે વાત
You
કરી
can
શકો
speak
છો.
now,
અનમ્યુટ
Sunil.
થઈ ગયું છે. He muted again.
So I think Zoom is being used so much. It would also be a meaningful contribution in our circle or in our community where we are to just spend like half an hour to take everyone through Zoom because they are using Zoom so much. Because I remember last time in our Soil Global discussion, there was someone else who had joined. I think Mr. I don't remember his name, but someone had joined and didn't know how to use Zoom. And I think it's the same case over here. So no problem. We will just give it a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, if anyone else would like to share something, and then probably we could, end the meeting or look forward to a new beginning in the next 5 minutes. So, yeah.
Anuj, I would suggest that a very profound, a very profound question of life is that we can begin a new relationship in life when we befriend life and ask what life is expecting from us. Yeah. We want to achieve something from life, but we do not question what life is asking me to achieve for itself. You see, that way, when we constantly ask this, you see, a new friendship begins, a new inquiry begins, and life begins to be alive. You see, it's a new experience. But always, first of all, we will not know what life is. But when we begin to ask constantly, you see, a new sensation will appear. What life asks from.
Okay. Okay. Got it. But I think, like, for example, Abhishek was asking earlier, I would like to ask the same question. Now, like Parimal Bhai said, that life around us is in so many forms, in the form of our family, in the form of society, in the form of people around us, right? And in the form of even, nature, right? So, what is that, first step or something which we can do to open ourselves to life? So, like, I'll give you an example. So, like, for example, earlier Rashmi had asked, right, that
I think
everything happens for the best, but maybe we don't understand that language, how to decipher what is for our best. Yeah, how to find out what is for our best. So, when we are asking those questions to life, what do we specifically do to, open ourselves to life?
Hello,
Yes, hello?
can I speak?
Yes, yes, please.
हाँ जी, मैंने थोड़ा अपनी विचारों को थोड़ा समेट रहा था, कोशिश कर रहा था इस
हाँ जी,
ये आज के सब्जेक्ट के साथ में कुछ रिलेट कर सकूं।
हाँ
तो
जी.
अभी तक जो डिस्कशन हुआ, मुझे थोड़ा समय मिल गया
Hmm.
रिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए।
Okay.
जो इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो थी, जो लिनेश भाई ने कही, उनमें 2 चीज़ बहुत ही मुझे गहरी, जो बहुत पहले से उस पे मैं सोचता रहा हूँ। एक थी कि नेचर हमें कोई पर्पस प्रोवाइड नहीं करती। हम खुद अपना पर्पस कॉन्फ़िगर करते हैं। और दूसरा उन्होंने कहा था डेथ एक इग्नोरेंस है, हम सिर्फ ट्रांसफॉर्म होते हैं। मृत्यु के साथ हमारा कुदरती जो शरीर है वो डिसइंटीग्रेट होता है, लेकिन हम में बदलाव आता है, अगर लाइफ कंटिन्यूस। और ये जो 2 बातें हैं, और अभी जो आज का जो टॉपिक के साथ हम जोड़ दें, तो एक एलेगरिकली मैं कुछ ये बात कर सकता हूँ आज के जो सेल्फ पर्पस और लाइफ पर्पस। एलेगरिकली मैं उसके एक मोती की माला उसके साथ मैं जोड़ना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि जैसे टॉपिक की बात हुई तुरंत मेरे सामने वो विजुअल क्रिएट हो गया मोती की माला का। कि जो मोती है वो हमारे सेल्फ पर्पस है, छोटे छोटे हमारे कुदरती अस्तित्व से जुड़े हुए छोटे छोटे गोल्स जो हम फिक्स करते हैं लाइफ में। और उस मोतियों को जोड़ने वाली जो धागा है, उसका धागा, वो हमारा लाइफ पर्पस है, जो उसे एक हायर फॉर्म देता है। इट गिव्स अ फॉर्म टू इट। फिर तुरंत मुझे प्लेटो का एक थियरी ऑफ फॉर्म्स वो दिमाग में आ जाता है, वर्ल्ड ऑफ फॉर्म्स। कि हम जो दुनिया में रहते हैं वो एक छोटे से डुप्लीकेट लोअर लेवल के फॉर्म्स हैं, टेंजिबल अनटेंजिबल, लेकिन और एक बड़ा सा वर्ल्ड ऑफ फॉर्म्स हैं कहीं पे, जहां पे इसके प्योर फॉर्म्स कहीं पे है। और ये पर्पस की बात मैं उससे भी जोड़ता हूँ कि अगर मैंने मोती की माला बना ली लाइफ पर्पस से जुड़कर सेल्फ पर्पस को, लेकिन उस माला का करना क्या है मुझे एट द एंड ऑफ द डे? अगर मृत्यु के आगे भी कुछ है, वो बड़ा फॉर्म, तो वो मेरे अंदर रिवील होना चाहिए। और वो होने के लिए मुझे कंटिन्यू एक प्रयत्नशील बनना चाहिए जब तक मेरा ये फिजिकल अस्तित्व है। बस ये चीज पे मैं रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा था अभी। एक है मोती जो मेरे सेल्फ पर्पस है, छोटे छोटे एग्जिस्टेंशियल जो हमारे प्रश्न उठते हैं और उसमें से हम कुछ गोल्स तय करते हैं, और एक लाइफ पर्पस है जो धागा उसको जोड़ता है, एक हायर फॉर्म देता है, और उसके बियॉन्ड कि इस माला का मुझे करना क्या है, वो मेरे अंदर मुझे रिवील होना चाहिए 100 प्रयत्न से। दैट्स ऑल।
Thank you. Thank you, Nimesh bhai, for sharing. I think this is in line with what Jayvant bhai जो बोल रहे थे. I think ये उसी के line में है. He was saying कि अगर आप अपना business कर रहे हैं, तो वो business for example nation building के लिए use कीजिए. अगर आप अपने अंदर कोई चीज देखते हैं जिसके प्रति आप बहुत ही ज्यादा passionate है, वो फिटनेस हो सकता है, वो मेडिटेशन हो सकता है, या जो भी हो सकता है, तो आप वो सिर्फ जो अच्छी चीज है, या जो जैसे आपने कहा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन या जो परिवर्तन हो गया, तो परिवर्तन इज नॉट द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड बट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, तो वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आप अपने तक ही मत सीमित रखिए, उसको बाहर की तरफ फ्लो करने दीजिए। मतलब जैसे आई थिंक जयवंत भाई ने कहा इंट्रोस्पेक्शन के बारे में, पहले अंदर देखिए, अंदर देख के देखिए कि कौन सी चीज है जिससे आप सबसे गहराई तक जुड़े हुए हैं। एक बार आपने उसको अंदर देखकर उसको इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करके उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया, आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद फिर आप दूसरों के लिए इंस्पिरेशन बनिए। जैसे शिवलीला जी ने देखा कि ब्रेन मार्च से मुझे कितना फायदा हो रहा है, तो मैं अपने तक ही क्यों उसको सीमित रखूं, तो उन्होंने बाहर जाके उस भावना या उस चीज को और फैलाया, और फैलाने के बाद वो जब इंस्पिरेशन बाहर सब फैल जाती है तो वो एक रोल मॉडल बन जाती है, एंड देन उसके बाद आई थिंक अपने आप ही लोग अट्रैक्ट होने लग जाते हैं। So I think whatever examples we heard today, whatever sharing we had today, और जो भी experience sharing भी था, I think that was very relevant to today's topic and today's discussion. I would first of all like to thank Parimal Bhai and Linesh Sheth for starting this entire series. Also, being a part of the online era, ये जहाँ पर आजकल सारी मोस्ट ऑफ द इंटरेक्शंस ऑनलाइन होती है rather than offline, I would say that there are a lot of discussions which are happening just for the sake of happening, and I am very happy that our small but I would say sacred community has kept these discussions going for I think it's been about Abhishek, it's been what, about 2 months now, if I'm not wrong.
We started on the day of Diwali. We started on 16th of November. वो
Okay.
दिवाली का जो फर्स्ट सैटरडे था ना, जो दिन
हाँ.
आई थिंक ये साल नया साल था वो दिन पे.
Okay.
That day we began 16 November, if I'm not wrong. So it's been more than 2 months.
Okay, very good. So we've just completed a little more than 2 months. So it's not about the number, but what I'm saying is that it's been more than 2 months, so about 8 to 9 meetings which we've had. And I would just say that everyone keep participating, keep contributing, and like I was in a session yesterday, so I was telling them that there's a lot of knowledge which we have, and people think that knowledge is power. So I would say that knowledge is not power, knowledge is potential power. Again, these are not my words, I've read them somewhere. So I think इतना सारा मीनिंगफुल अगर हम लोगों को इसमें से मिला है, right? तो I think we should use it in our own lives and in others' lives to make those lives better and more meaningful. That is what I would like to say. I would like to ask Parimal Bhai, Linesh Sheth, Abhishek, if they have any final words, and then we could probably, end this meeting and look forward to the next one.
I have nothing to add.
Okay, thank you, Parimal Bhai.
Thank you very much. बोलिए शिवलीला जी.
हाँ शिवलीला जी बोलिए, सॉरी.
लास्ट में 2 लाइन बोलना है.
हाँ 4 बोलिए, क्यों नहीं.
विचारों से कार्य पैदा नहीं होते हैं. विचारों से कार्य पैदा नहीं होते हैं. विचारों से तरंगे पैदा होती है. विचारों से तरंगे पैदा होती है. तरंगे लोगों को छूती है. तरंगे लोगों को छूती है. तरंगे कोने कोने में पहुंचती है. उसमें विश्वास चाहिए. जो हम सोचते हैं उससे तरंगे पैदा होती है. वो तरंगे लोगों को छूती है. ये प्रोग्राम देख के मुझे ऐसा ये विचार आ गया.
बहुत अच्छा आपने बताया, और आप मानेंगे नहीं शिवलीला जी, अभी अभिषेक ने बात की थी सॉरी, कि हम लोगों ने 16 नवंबर को स्टार्ट किया था, और अगर मेरी मेमोरी सही है तो हम लोगों ने जो फर्स्ट सेशन किया था, आई थिंक दैट वाज अबाउट रिपल इफेक्ट, जो आपने बोला तरंगे, राइट? सो आई डोंट नो, हाँ ये सब पता नहीं कहाँ से जुड़ के आता है. तो आई थिंक दिस इज द seal or stamp of approval from God or whichever divine energy we believe in, that we are going in the right direction. So please सब इसी तरह जुड़ते रहिए, और जैसे उर्दू में बोलते हैं कि कारवा अपने आप बनते जाता है और चलते रहता है. And just one thing is, I would say that once whatever learnings we've got from this, okay, please share first on our own group, that is soil group. जैसे आपने ये जो लाइनें लिखी है ना, बहुत अच्छी और बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल है. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू प्लीज सॉइल ग्रुप पे शेयर कीजिए, सो दैट वी कैन ऑल लर्न एंड अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, वन मोर थिंग इज दैट सिंस मैंने सॉइल का बोला तो मुझे याद आया, हम लोग का जो करंटली सॉइल का चैनल है, ओके, उसके about 108 सब्सक्राइबर्स है, एंड आई नो दैट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड who know more about soil, यानी कि ग्रुप में ही 200 लोग से ज्यादा है. So please go to the channel, please like, share and subscribe, okay, because इसमें कुछ भी monetary नहीं है, we just want maximum benefit, right? So please वो कीजिए, ये मीटिंग से जुड़ते रहिए, जैसे प्राजक्ता ने आज 2 लोगों को जोड़ा है, वैसे सब लोग प्लीज और लोगों को जोड़ते रहिए, सबकी लाइफ और अच्छी और मीनिंगफुल बनाते रहिए. That is what I would like to say, and this is not an end. जैसे मेरा एक फ्रेंड वो बोलता है एंड का फुल फॉर्म है एफर्ट नेवर डाइज, जैसे आपने बात की शीला जी और जयवंत जी ने पर्सपिरेशन की. सो प्लीज कीप ऑन पुटिंग द एफर्ट to continuously improve ourselves and also the lives of those who are known to us or unknown to us. So looking forward to our next meaningful discussion. Okay, please keep joining and have others join, and I would say take care and have a meaningful week ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, chaliye, bye everyone, bye, happy weekend to you.
Happy weekend.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care.